In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to WordPress blog posts and pages. Whether you're looking to highlight a special moment, illustrate a point, or simply add some visual interest to your content, images can be a powerful tool. Let's break down the process step by step so you can enhance your WordPress site with beautiful images. First, let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your WordPress account. Once you're on the dashboard, it's important to decide where you want to place your image, whether in a blog post or on a page. If you're aiming for a blog post, navigate to Posts on the left-hand side of your screen and select Add New if you're starting fresh, or All Posts if you're updating an existing post. Similarly, if you're opting for a page, click on Pages and follow the appropriate path. Once you've selected a post or page, you'll enter the WordPress editor. This is where all the magic happens. You'll want to place the cursor where you need the image to appear. Imagine you're inserting an image amidst a wall of text. It's helpful to click in the exact spot in your text where you'd like the image to reside. The next step is to add the image. To do this, head up to the Add Media button located just above the text editor. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the WordPress Media Library. This handy tool is where all your images are stored. You have two options here: upload a new image directly from your computer, or select an existing image from your library. If you're uploading a new image, be sure to check the file size to ensure it loads quickly on your site. The ideal size can vary, but typically images should be no larger than 2 megabytes to maintain website performance. After choosing or uploading your image, you'll notice an option on the right side of the screen to add image details, such as alt text. It's crucial to fill this out as it enhances accessibility and helps with SEO. The alt text is what appears if the image can't be displayed for some reason, and it also provides a description for visually impaired readers using screen readers. Once you've added the details, click the Insert into Post or Insert into Page button, and voila! Your image should appear right where you placed your cursor. If you need to adjust the size or alignment, simply click on the image, and you'll see options to adjust these features. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Hit the Update or Publish button to ensure your hard work doesn't get lost. Adding images is not just about aesthetics, it also engages your audience and can significantly enhance user experience on your site. And there you go! You've successfully added an image to your WordPress blog post or page. Be sure to experiment with different images and layouts to find what works best for your content. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!